what kind of drama we're gonna run into, man. It's gonna be crazy out here, man. I don't know what the story on this bike is or anything. But towing motorcycles out of the trailer park, depending on what kind of bike it is and all that, it ain't the smartest idea. Pennsylvania. Everybody here's got Pennsylvania plates. Looks like it's operable too. What's wrong with this damn bike, man? Gotta be kidding me, man. Yeah, front wheel on this bike's locked down. Wowee. What's going on, man?
So good, man. I watch your videos, man.
Oh, yeah.
I do.
Well, you know I'm the real deal.
Yeah, what's your
Send me
video?
loving the bike. Hey, the front wheel's locked up on it.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a neighbor right
Yeah.
here. Yeah, no, I watch your videos all the time.
Thanks for watching, bro.
Yeah.
I like the ink, man.
Oh, appreciate it.
It's
Can
awesome,
can
dude.
I take a picture with you, though?
Yeah, for sure, man. Yeah, nice to meet you, bro.
Yeah, man.
Have a good one, man. I don't know. They just called it in to tow.
Oh, okay.
Hey, it's good. I'm good. I'm gonna lock it down right here.
I know some of y'all, you know, I used to repo
Yeah.
and shit. I
Did
told
you?
her, I said, shit.
Yeah, I appreciate your help.
I said, oh, dude,
Yeah.
repoing something or something. Said, wait,
Yeah, front wheel's locked up on it.
it's locked.
It won't really roll. I had to literally put it on the truck.
I wish y'all could, bro.
You good, man? Hey, thank you though. I appreciate you, man.
Thank you, Yamaha.
I know. Yeah, it's rusted. That front wheel's rusted all the way shut. It's locked.
Brakes locked up on it.
It is.
Hey,
Yeah.
you come right here.
That brake's locked up there. That was locked up.
Goddamn, what is this, a 71?
I don't know.
I don't know, bro. It's heavy.
Hey, what'd they say?
Letting them know about the bottle of wine.
Huh?
Letting them know about the bottle of wine. So
About-
I was drinking sandwich.
Oh, okay. About 12, 13 years.
Damn.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I'm lucky to be alive. I'm lucky I ain't been
I
shot,
know
man.
people, yeah, people be
Yeah, they trip out, man. I didn't know what they were gonna do. I think they gave this one up.
No, they cool though.
Yeah, they gave it up. I think the manager told them, and they said they told her.
They can do nothing. They
Yeah.
pay it off. They
Yeah.
can, you know, you get taken
Yeah,
over there. but
yeah,
they
yeah.
do nothing.
Have a good one, man.
Hey, you be
Nice to
safe.
meet you, man.
Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah, I gotta tow it. Yeah.
Oh, 1 second.
Okay, well, yeah, I gotta tow it because there's no trailers allowed. If you had a truck, I'd let you pull it off.
Okay, I call my brother.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to tow it because there ain't no truck here. Yeah.
I come here, bro. I move it. So
I have to move it now because they put a sticker on it like 6 days ago. They put a sticker on. He had 6 days to move it. Yeah, tell him lo siento, es mi trabajo. You had six days.
please, come here.
I can't, man. I can't. He can come get it from our lot. I'll give you the address. And I'm sorry. It's just what I do. I know, it's true. Hey, it's been 6 days. They were sticking on the 29th.
It's okay.
Yeah. Whoa.
I need 1 hour. It's moving.
Yeah, I'll give you the address. I can't. I have to tow it.
1 hour moving.
I know. I understand. I got to tow it. I have to tow it.
Please, man.
Yeah, I'm sorry, I gotta tow it, man. Hey, I'll give you the address. I'll give you the card.
Okay. Is this stuff?
It's not far.
Okay.
Hey, it's just not very far.
Okay, thank you.
He can come get it. Thank you, man.
Okay, thank you.
Anyway, quick follow-up on that trailer. That trailer was stickered 6 days ago. And the guy that owns the trailer, the one that was trying to come get it, said it was going to be an hour, he'd come get it. He waited 6 days and didn't move the trailer, left it sitting there. Didn't think anybody would tow it, whatnot, but he pulled the sticker off the trailer. That trailer had a sticker on it one time. And he pulled the sticker off and didn't move the trailer. So it happens, man. You get that sticker put on your car and you don't comply, hey, don't get mad. And that guy didn't get mad. He was basically begging me not to tow it and trying to save his brother from having to pay an impound fee. But it is what it is, man. And if that gentleman had a truck with a hitch on it or something, if he had a way to pull that trailer, I would have let him move it. I'm always fair about it. If somebody claims it and they're going to move it, and they got a way to move the trailer, I'll let them move it. But he didn't have no way to move it. He said it was going to be an hour. Anyway, that's what it is. We are heading into the lot right here. Y'all stay tuned.